direction for a while. Then he thinks I'll forget. So turn around and slowly make his way back and try to grab it.
Hi, Buster. Say hi to Grandma.
Hey, Buster. Hey, Buster.
That's it. That's it.
Maybe we should go to the lemon tree for
Hey, Sweet Pea. Hey, Sweet Pea. Hey, gorgeous. Hey, gorgeous. Hey, Buster. Buster Benjamin. Sniffing around on the boardwalk. What can I find? What's there? Hi.
Buster.
Hi, Sleepy. Hi, Buster.
Hey, sweetie. Hi, doggy.
Good dog. Want some water? Good dog. No, I'd rather eat the boardwalk or the leaf. That's a good leaf.